everyone, Audrey from Off Leash Canine Training here, and I've got Lola. She's a 10-month-old Staffordshire Terrier mix coming to us for our 2-week boarding train program. Prior to training, she doesn't really know anything, to be honest. Possibly sit. Her owners have put her through some training previously, but she is so stubborn and hard-headed that she really didn't learn anything at all. As you can see, loves to bite the leash. She actually does resource guard quite a bit when she is around her owners. Around food, there's an episode to where she has bitten her owners a few times. Just the fact because she guards the food and she just wants it and doesn't care. So you can see she's both biting and pulling really, really hard. So let's see what she actually knows on day 1. There you have it. As you can see, walks horrible on a leash. Could care less about anything that's going around her. Wants this leash, plays tug, can come close to biting your hand there a couple times. But let's stay tuned to see what she can do in a short 14 days.
Hey guys, Tom here, Off Leash Canine Training. I just wanted to take a quick moment to personally thank you for taking time out of your day to watch one of our many transformation videos. If you liked the video, if you were impressed, go ahead and give it a like. If you'd like to see more videos like that, subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you're notified whenever we do upload a video, which is almost daily. Feel free to head over to Yelp, Google, and our Facebook pages to see our many hundreds of 5-star reviews. And if you have any questions, hop on over to our website, westcoastolk9.com, or give us a call, 844-955-6559. We look forward to training your dog, and I'll talk to you soon.